If you are looking for a certification that validates your skills and knowledge in designing and implementing mid-range storage solutions, you may be interested in the Specialist Technology Architect, MidRange Storage Solutions Exam DES-1D12 exam. This exam covers various topics related to mid-range storage technologies, such as product features, functions, performance, scalability, availability, security, and management. Passing this exam will demonstrate your ability to design and deploy optimal mid-range storage solutions for different scenarios and requirements. The exam consists of 60 questions and lasts 120 minutes. You need to score at least 60% to pass the exam. The exam is available in English only. 1. What is a key feature of the Dell EMC Future-Proof Storage Loyalty Program for Dell EMC SC Series arrays? A 4-to-1 performance guarantee. B 4-year satisfaction guarantee. C 4-to-1 reduction guarantee. D 4-to-1 efficiency guarantee. 2. A technical architect is working with a customer to design a Dell Unity XT solution. The customer is concerned about enabling the data reduction storage service. What system condition should the architect recommend for enabling data reduction? A. CPU utilization above 80%. B. Free capacity at or less than 50% free capacity. C. CPU utilization at or less than 50%. D. Free capacity above 80%. 3. A customer must restrict the share content visibility of a Dell Unity file system based on the access rights. What attribute at the share level must be used? A. Continuous availability. B. Access-based enumeration. C. Protocol encryption. D. Offline availability. 4. What are the two biggest factors that determine IOPS when using SSDs in a Dell EMC SC series array? A. Current latency and queue depth. B. Application block size and overall throughput. C. Multi-tenant arrays and tier configuration. D. Read, write percentage and peak workload. 5. A Dell EMC Unity Storage Administrator needs to build a NAS server configuration to support failover between SPs and NAS resources. What is a term for this configuration? A. Local replication. B. IP multi-tenancy. C. LACP. D. Separate IP switches. 6. A Dell EMC Unity Storage Administrator has 10 hosts. One of the hosts experiences occasional, huge I/O bursts. What is a best practice for avoiding performance issues during these burst periods? A. Enabling quality of service, QoS, will limit the burst problem. B. Quality of service, QoS, is enabled by default, so one only needs to configure burst settings. C. Enable quality of service, QoS, then limit I/O for the entire FC port. D. Enable quality of service, QoS, then configure burst settings. 7. You plan to schedule a live optic sampling with your customer to size a Dell EMC SC series array. However, the customer wants to postpone the run until the end of the quarter because there could be more activity on the current storage system. What course of action is recommended? A. Wait until the end of the quarter and collect a week-long sampling. B. Take a single-day sampling on any given day because that is sufficient in most instances. C. Wait until the end of the quarter and collect a single-day sampling. D. Take a week-long sampling on any given week because that is sufficient in most instances. 8. What is the function of CMI on a Dell EMC unity array? A. Used for inter-SP communications. B. Acts as an extension of M.2 memory. C. Enables vaulting to disk. D. Handles API calls for HTTP client. 9. What occurs immediately before the write is acknowledged to the host in a Dell PowerStore 1000T? A. The peer node is updated. B. Data is passed through the deduplication and compression logic. C. I/O is saved within the node DRAM memory. D. Information is stored on the non-volatile media of the NVRAM drives. 10. Which block resources are supported with Dell EMC Unity asynchronous replication? A. Consistency groups and file systems. B. VMFS and NFS data stores. C. LUNs and file systems. D. LUNs and VMFS data stores.